Thinking about getting the iPhone 16? Here are 5 reasons you might want to hold off. First up, the design is almost identical to the iPhone 15. So if you're hoping for a fresh look, you might be disappointed. Second, the upgrades are minor. There's a slight camera improvement and a small bump in processing speed, but nothing major if you already own a recent model. Then there's the price. The iPhone 16 is pricey, especially considering the minimal upgrades. With so many excellent, more affordable options out there, it might not feel worth it. Battery life hasn't improved significantly either, so if you're hoping for a phone that lasts longer, this isn't a huge leap forward. Finally, competition from Android is stronger than ever, with features like foldable screens and higher refresh rates at similar or lower prices. So, while the iPhone 16 is a solid device, these might be reasons to wait or consider other options. Let me know in the comments. Are you upgrading? If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.